In the lecture series of breeze, our next lecture is on Hayes breeze. Hayes breeze, it is only the modification of the Maxwell's breeze. There is nothing much more difference between these breezes. The only difference is between these both is in Maxwell's the capacitance is added in parallel to the resistance, and in Hayes breeze it is added in series to the resistance, and it is used to calculate once again in the inductance of the circuit. Systematic diagram of Hayes breeze is this. Here again L1 is the required inductance, R1 is its effective resistance, and here this is the difference. C4 is added in series with R4, while in Maxwell's breeze it is added in parallel. This is the I1 current and this is the I2 current, and this is the D which will have zero deflection. For this, the Z1 upon Z2 will be equal to Z3 upon Z4. Now we will calculate the effective impedance of each arms. Z1 is equal to R1 plus J omega L1. Z2 is equal to R2, here is only resistance R2, and Z3 is equal to R3. Once again here is also resistance R3 only. Z4 is equal to R4 plus J omega C4. To get this breeze to be balanced, Z1 into Z4 is equal to Z2 into Z3, and put all Z's from this. Z1 is equal to R1 plus J omega L1 whole into Z4, R4 plus J upon omega C4 is equal to R2 R3. Now solve this. R1 into R4 plus J into this J minus 1 upon omega into omega, cancel, L1 upon C4 plus R1 J over here omega C4 again J omega L1 R4 to R2 R3. Here sign will be minus, sorry, this is minus, this will be minus, and again here minus, and this equal to R1 R4 plus L1 upon C4 minus J common plus J common, and omega L1 R4 minus R1 upon omega C4 is equal to R2 R3. This is the main equation from which we will derive the L1 and R1. The real and imaginary part from both sides. R1 R4 plus L1 upon C4 is equal to R2 R3. This is equation 1, and by comparing imaginary part we will have omega L1 R4 is equal to R1 omega C4. This is the two variable and two equation. By solving it, finally we will have result R1 equal to R1 will be omega square R2 R3 R4 C4 square over 1 plus omega square C to the power 2 and R4 square, and L will be 2 R3 R4 upon 1 plus omega square C4 square and R4 square. This is the inductance and this is the resistance of this unknown arms element. Next is again quality factor Q is omega L1 upon R1, and this will be, after substituting it, R2, R3, R4 over, this term will be cancelled from both sides, omega upon this omega square R2, R3, R4, R3, R4 and C4 square. This will be cancelled, this 1 omega will be cancelled, 1 upon omega C4 square. This is the quality factor of this breeze. Now our next lecture will be with some other breeze.